Good morning, class. In today's session, we'll start with chapter number 6, which is rules of debit and credit. As we have discussed in the previous chapter, transactions are recorded in the books of account on the basis of double entry system. This system is based on principle of dual aspect, which state that every transaction has two aspects, a debit and a credit of equal amount, which means for every debit there must be a transaction having a corresponding credit of equal amount in one or more accounting. So let us revise what is account. Account is a summarized record of related transaction at one place under a particular head. हम जब भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स को अपनी फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ एंट्री विच इज़ जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, हम क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में करते हैं. दैट मीन्स एज एंड व्हेन ट्रांजेक्शन हैपन्स, वो हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग स्टेज हो गई. देन वी कम टू अ स्टेज क्लासीफाइंग एंड समराइजिंग, जिसमें हम अपनी सारी ट्रांजेक्शन को दोबारा से स्कैन करते हैं और जो सिमिलर नेचर की ट्रांजेक्शन होती है उसको एक जगह रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. सो ऑल transaction related to one account is recorded under a one particular head. For example, transaction related to cash are recorded at one place known as cash account. जितने भी हमने बिजनेस में ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्ड की होगी उसमें से हम सारी कैश ट्रांजेक्शन अलग करेंगे और उसको एक जगह रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. तो जिस जगह हम उसको रिकॉर्ड करेंगे दैट विल बी कैश अकाउंट. An account has two sides. Left hand side of an account is debit side, whereas right hand side of account is credit side. तो हमारे अकाउंट की दो साइड है, एक लेफ़्ट साइड एक राइट साइड. लेफ़्ट साइड को हम डेबिट कहते हैं, राइट साइड को हम क्रेडिट कहते हैं. हमारे अकाउंट का जो फॉर्मेट है दैट इज़ नेम ऑफ द अकाउंट. ऊपर नेम ऑफ द अकाउंट आता है. से हम कैश अकाउंट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो कैश अकाउंट आएगा. देन डेट, particular, journal folio, JF represent journal folio amount, then again date, particular, journal folio amount. इसको हम टी शेप अकाउंट कहते हैं बिकॉज अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये टी शेप है. सो वी कॉल इट एज अ टी शेप अकाउंट. तो इस अकाउंट की दो पार्ट है. दिस इज़ लेफ्ट साइड, दिस इज़ राइट साइड. तो लेफ्ट साइड इज़ कॉल्ड डेबिट साइड विच इज़ डिनोटेड बाय DR, and right side is denoted by credit side which is called credit side which is denoted by CR. तो ये हमारा अकाउंट का फॉर्मेट है. Then comes rules of debit and credit. What rules are followed to decide which transaction are to be recorded on the debit side and which on the credit side. तो हमें रूल्स ऑफ डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट ये हेल्प करने में जज करते हैं कि वेदर हमें ट्रांजैक्शन को डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करना है या क्रेडिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करना है. सो वी हैव टू अप्रोचेस. फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच, सेकेंड इज कॉल्ड मॉडर्न अप्रोच, थ्रू विच वी कैन डिसाइड विच साइड इज़ टू बी डेबिटेड एंड विच अकाउंट इज़ टू बी क्रेडिटेड. ये हम रूल्स ऑफ डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट के अकॉर्डिंग ही जज करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द अप्रोचेस. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद मॉडर्न अप्रोच. अंडर मॉडर्न अप्रोच वी हैव क्लासिफाइड आवर अकाउंट्स इन 5 कैटेगरी: assets, liabilities, capital, revenue and expenses. So these are the 5 classification of accounts under the modern approach. Assets, example of assets are building, machinery, stock, debtor, cash, bank, prepaid expenses, etc. Then liabilities that you have to pay to someone, It includes creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, bank loan, outstanding expenses. These are all liabilities. Capital is owner contribution. So under this we have capital and drawings. Drawings, why? Because it reduces the owner's contribution towards business. Then we have revenue. Revenue includes your sales, interest received, discount received, rent received, bad debts recovered. These are all revenue items for the business. Then we have expense. Expense includes your purchases, wages, salaries, rent, discount allowed, loss on sale of fixed asset, etc. These are all expense item. So rules of debit and credit: if it is an asset, as we have discussed earlier, left hand side is a debit side, right hand side is a credit side. If it is an asset, increase of asset will be debited, decrease of asset will be credited. That means अगर हमने कुछ न्यू मशीनरी खरीदी है तो हमारा एक एसेट इंक्रीज हो रहा है, जो इंक्रीज हो रहा है वो डेबिट होगा, जो डिक्रीज हो रहा है वो क्रेडिट होगा. Then we have liabilities. Rules for liability is, if there is a increase in liability, we'll record on the credit side. If there is a decrease in liability, we'll record on the debit side. Then capital. Increase of capital is recorded on the credit side, decrease is recorded on the debit side. Then revenues. If there is a inflow of revenue, increase in revenue, it will be credited. If there is a decrease in revenue, will debit it. Then expense. Increase in expense is recorded on the debit side, decrease in expense is recorded on the credit side. So with this you can see asset and expense have similar nature, whereas liabilities, capital and revenue have similar nature. So this is modern approach, and through this approach we decide rules of debit and credit. So let us quickly revise rules of debit and credit under modern approach. In modern approach we have 5 type of accounts: assets, liabilities, capital, expense and revenue. And increase in asset are debited, decrease are credited. For liabilities, increase in liability are credited, decrease are debited. Capital, again increase in capital are credited, decrease is debited. For expense, increase in expense are debited, decrease are credited. And for revenues, increase in revenues are credited, decrease are debited. So this is our modern approach of rules of debit and credit. Okay, now let's do our illustration. On which side the increase in the following account will be recorded, and you also have to specify the nature of account, whether it is assets, liability, expense, capital or revenue. So let's begin with this question. So first is furniture. So what is the nature of account, whether it is asset or a liability or a capital, expense or revenue? So furniture is an asset, and where will increase be recorded? Increase in the assets are recorded on the debit side. So furniture, asset, nature of account and increase on debit side. The next is debtors. Yes, again debtor is an asset and increase will be recorded on the debit side. So debtor, asset and debit. Next item is interest received. Interest received is revenue and increase will be recorded on the credit side. Revenue, income and credit. Then is cash. Cash is asset and debit side. तो हम लिख देंगे asset and debit. Next is bill payable. Bill payable हमारी liabilities होती हैं, तो nature of account में liabilities आ जाएगा. And increase is recorded on which side? Credit side. Then we have bank. Bank is again asset and increase is recorded on the debit side. Then creditors. Creditors, liabilities and increase is recorded on the credit side. Now next is rent. Rent is expenses and it is increase is recorded on the debit side. When nothing is given, when received or rent paid, we always assume it is paid. So rent paid is expenses. Then sales. Sales is part of revenue or income and increase is recorded on the credit side. Creditors repeat हो गया यहाँ पे. Liabilities and credit. Then current, a proprietor. Proprietor is the owner of the business. So ये किस account के अंदर आएगा? Capital and credit. So we have completed our illustration. You can see. Now we do the next illustration. On which side the decrease in the following account will be recorded and also specify the nature of accounts. पहली वाली illustration में हमने increase बताई थी कि increase debit होगी या credit होगी. अब हम decrease देखेंगे. So let's begin. First is machinery. So machinery is an asset and decrease will be recorded on the credit side. So we have mentioned machinery, asset and credit. Then is bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is liability and decrease in liability is debit. Next is accrued commission. Accrued commission means commission due but not received. So that is income which is not received, and when income which is not received, it is part of asset. And asset का decrease credit. Then next is couple, a supplier. Supplier means जो हमें raw material या goods supply करते हैं on credit. So it is liabilities and decrease in liability is debited. Next is rent outstanding. Rent outstanding is a liability and decrease is debited. Next is freight. Freight is the expense which is paid for carrying goods. So इसका nature हो गया expense का, and decrease in expense is credit. Next is salary payable, मतलब which is due but not paid. So that is salary payable, and salary payable is liabilities and decrease in liability is debit. Then Amit, a customer. Customer is asset and decrease in asset is क्रेडिट। तो ये हमारा इलस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीट हो गया। We have studied modern approach of debit and credit. With this we end our session. Thank you.